Alright, today I'm having a look at these new products from DEKS. So this is a plumbing repair clay. It's good for plastic, fiberglass, metal and ceramics. It begins to harden after 5 minutes, set in 10 minutes, can be drilled, taped, filled, sanded and sealed, painted once hardened. So let's open it up and see how it goes. So there's no mixing. It's one part, so it's not two parts. We just pop the product out. And give it a knead. So for an example here, we've got a crack in this pipe. Press that over, make sure it's stuck on well. So in 5 minutes that's going to start to harden. And then once it fully goes off, you can sand it, you can paint it. That's a permanent solution.